Hey guys, so today I am back on A1A and I am going to be heading north up the highway towards St. Augustine. It is the same route that I took when I was heading to Orlando, but on my way when I was on A1A I passed this little area that had a bunch of abandoned houses on stilts. I think it was close to Marine Town, I think it's called. I'm gonna head back that way and see if I can check out that area and maybe walk the beach towards the houses. I just thought it was really interesting and I'm wondering about the history. After that, I will be heading back north towards St. Augustine, where I think I'm gonna stay for a week or so. I've always wanted to visit St. Augustine, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, not much of a plan after that, so we will see. So while I was walking, I met a guy he's one of the construction workers on the houses over there, and he kind of gave me the background story. I guess this area was all wiped out during Hurricane Matthew, which was over a year and a half ago. The hurricane actually took out the entire road of Old A1A, and it put 70 feet of sand behind the houses. So the houses that weren't completely destroyed, these people have actually built up their own sand road to get to their houses, and they have to use four-wheel drive trucks. And it's kind of crazy that it's been that way for a year and a half, that these people have been waiting for the road to be reconstructed. And as you also saw, a lot of the houses are incredibly damaged, and I don't know if and when they will be repaired. I just thought it was really interesting history and backstory on the whole area, and it was cool to get to see that close up. There is a lot of construction going on the houses that are like on the mainland, not on the beach. So hopefully the area gets repaired rather quickly, and hopefully the city puts in a road for these people soon, because a year and a half, that's kind of crazy. Anyway, I am getting back on A1A, and I am heading north again towards St. Augustine. I'm really excited for that. I've always wanted to visit St. Augustine, and I know there's a lot of history and a lot of sights to see. I haven't done much research on where exactly I want to go or the sites I want to visit. I think I'm going to kind of just wander around and take it as it comes. But either way, it should be really fun, and I will bring you with me.